Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant FPS drops, lagging, stuttering and freezing. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is just to do here is to update your operating system. Go to settings, on settings go to Windows Update, and if there is an update, update it. Same thing with your GPU. You just need to go to your GPU app. For me, it's Nvidia drivers, and if there is an update, you need to download it and install it, right? Next step, open up Nvidia control panel, just right click on desktop, show more options, Nvidia control panel, then go to manage 3D settings, and then here you can go to global or select program settings and select Valorant, but I like to go on global because it will apply for all my games. And then you need to tweak few settings here. First off, scroll down a bit until you see as you can see here, G-Sync compatible, right? So monitor technology, select G-Sync compatible. Then you need to go to look for power management mode. Make sure select to prefer maximum for performance. Then preferred refresh rate. Select the highest available. Then you need to scroll down a bit and then look for texture filtering quality. Select high performance, then textural filtering, trilinear optimization and threaded optimization should be on. Then vertical sync should be off, and then virtual reality pre-rendered frame should be 2. Apply the changes and then we can go with other steps. So the first step, you just need to go to settings, go to gaming, game bar, make sure this disabled. Again, go back to game mode, make sure this game mode is enabled. Next step, what we need to do here, we need to go to services, and then on services we need to just click on one of the tasks here and press S until you see sysmain. Right click on it, go to and press stop, then go to properties, start to type, and make sure it's disabled, right? And apply the changes. Next up, what we need to do here, you just need to open up graphic settings. On graphic settings, make sure go to advanced graphic settings and this option is selected. Then you need to here look for Valorant exe file. If for some reason you cannot find Valorant file here, for me there is a Valorant file here, but if you cannot see that, you just need to open up your disk where it's installed. Usually is on disk C, program file x86. Then you need to go to as you can see here, Riot Games, Valorant, and then live, copy the path here, go to graphic settings, go up, then add desktop app, paste the path, add the exe file, and exe file should appear here, right? Then you just need to expand the option, select a GPU preference, high performance, and then select optimizations for windowed games. Next up, what we need to do here, on search, you just need to write edit power plan. Then you need to go to power options here, then select ultimate performance or high. If there is no ultimate performance, select high performance, and then you can close this window here. Next step, you just need to go to and write view advanced system settings. On the view advanced system settings, go to advanced performance, select settings, then advanced here, and then here select change. And then on initial size and maximum size, you need to write a number. So you just need to look on system information, how much RAM do you have? For me, in my particular case, as you can see here, it's 16 gigabytes. So I just need to duplicate my 16 gigabytes times 2000. And then I will get this number, and you need to put that particular number that you're getting with your RAM on maximum size and initial size. Let's say you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, so you just need to write 8 times 2000, right? 8 times 2000. And then it will be 16,000, and you need to put it here, right? And apply the changes. And after that, we can go with other steps. So the first step, what I suggest to do here is to, not first, other step, go to settings, go to storage settings, then go to temporary files, and then select all the files here, and then remove files. Also, it will help with the game. Then if you run the game, you need to run the game, go to Task Manager, and also close all the tasks that you don't use while playing the game. Of course, close the ones that you know, and it won't, with the ones that won't break your computer. Then once the game is running, go to details and then find Valorant.exe file here. Right click on it. It's just an example. I'm not running game currently. Go to set priority and set to high, right? And if you're getting experiencing lag, packet loss, and other network related issues, first up, what I suggest you to do here is to open a browser, go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you're having good internet speed, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router, and always use Ethernet cable if there is a possibility. Then go to settings. On settings, you need to go to network and internet, then advanced network settings, and then here network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, you don't need to do nothing, right? Then open up command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And here we need to write a few commands. First one is ipconfig /flush space /flush DNS. And another command is -winsock reset, right? And after that, you need to restart your computer. Next step, open up, again, go to settings, go to network and internet, go to advanced network settings, expand this option here, that is your internet connection. Go to more network adapter options, select Internet Protocol version 4, and then try Google's DNS server. So select use the following DNS server and write on preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8 and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, we can proceed with in-game settings. And in game settings, just press escape, go to settings, then go to video, and then go to graphics quality first. Make sure multi-threaded rendering is on, material quality low, texture, detail, and UI quality, texture and detail quality medium, UI low, and these settings are off as well. Just pause the video and copy these settings for you. And after you apply the settings, and if your FPS is not boosted or you're getting FPS drops, what I suggest you to do here next is to go on video, general, make sure display mode is full screen. I'm recording the video, so the window full screen is more convenient for me. And then limit FPS battery, make sure it's off. Limit FPS in menus, make sure it's on and make it 30. Limit FPS in the background, make sure it's on and 30, and then limit FPS always, turn off, and you can set your max FPS that your monitor has. And then if you have Nvidia GPU, make sure that Nvidia Reflex low latency is on plus boost. That's basically it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.